The inspiration behind our project is that 80% of wastewater goes into waterways without adequate treatment. This causes 1 out of 3 people in the world live without sanitation. This is causing unnecessary disease and death. In recent years, UN Environment puts the economic cost at roughly $13 billion USD per year, including clean-up costs and financial losses in fisheries.
So what we can do for a sustainable future, here are the examples, such as you can take action to reduce water pollution, practice water conservation, support sustainable agriculture, engage in a water resources cleaning project, reuse wastewater, raising awareness, and make a donation.
Our project, Wastewater Filtration, is done to raise awareness on water and sanitization. Water treatment is essential in making sure that we can use water safely and effectively. It's not just about ensuring there are no chemicals or contamination present, but also making sure that the pH level of water is ideal for our needs. From industrial processed water to potable drinking water, it's important to make sure that proper methods are put in place to ensure safety and clean water for all of our needs.
In this project, we have 5 objectives, which are: first, to promote the collaboration between community, school, university, and external agency. And the second one is to raise awareness of Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) among the community. And the third one, to show and explain how to develop the wastewater filtration system by recycle. And the fourth one, to give exposure about the engineering application in the daily life. And lastly, to delve into sustainable development goals, discussion and skill building to approach the sustainable goals.
So what is SDG? SDG is a set of 70 global goals established by the UN in 2015 as a part of their 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. It aims to address various social, economic and environmental challenges facing the world. So it has encompassed a broad range of interconnected issues and provide a framework for the countries. So through our event also, we are stated the SDG, or we are related to SDG to introduce to the students.
Next is SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Is by expand international cooperation and capacity building support to developing countries in water and sanitation related activities and program. Next is the current rates of progress would need to increase fourfold. Achieving these targets would save more people annually who die from diseases directly attributable to unsafe water and poor hygiene practices. Next is the SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, is to ensure sustainable consumption and production pattern, is to achieve the environmentally sound management of chemicals and all waste throughout their life cycle in accordance with agreed international frameworks, and to focusing treatment on the hazardous material and disposal to ensure cleanness of the water uses for the safety of the habitat, especially marine life.
The next SDG related to the event is the climate change. There is a lot of target in the climate change, but one of the relate to our event is to improve education, awareness, raising and human and institutional capacity on climate change mitigation, adaptation, impact and reduction, and early warning. It is to introduce to our students about the awareness on the wastewater. Also, we are going to promote a mechanism for raising capacity for effective climate change related to the planning and management.
Then, our group also supports SDG 15, Life Below Water. The goal is reducing water pollution and protecting marine ecosystem. To make sure that our oceans, seas, and marine resources are protected and used sustainably for the benefit of both marine life and human communities by putting suitable filtration and treatment process in place. Lastly, our group supports SDG 15, Life on Land. By implementing an effective wastewater filtration system, we can reduce the harmful effects of releasing wastewater on terrestrial ecosystem. This protects the diversity of plants and animals on land.